Hi! Today we'll be taking a shallow dip in our DIY project. We'll make a DIY plane using some sheet metal and an unusable spark plug. Look at it, isn't it looking gorgeous? Let's get started. First of all, we have marked MS, mild steel sheet, taken from scrap, to make the wings of the plane. Now let's cut it. The materials you would need for this do-it-yourself project are a small piece of mild steel sheet, say 6 by 6 inches, a used spark plug, a metal cutter, an anvil to support cutting, a grinder and an electric arc welding plant. The next step after cutting the wings from MS sheet is to smoothen the edges. It's essential to make the finished product safe to handle, otherwise you'll cut your hands. We are using a fixed stone grinder for this purpose. You can also use a hand grinder, but be careful with that thing. Repeat the same process for tail wings. Make sure you keep quenching the job when it's being ground. It will preserve its integrity, induce hardness, and keep the job cool. Now, it's time to electrify things. We are using electric arc welding to make the spot welds joining the already cut sheet metal and spark plug. Now we are in the final stages of production. Use sandpaper to give it a shiny finish and remove cutting or welding marks from the finished product. I hope you have already subscribed to this channel. We request you to like the video as it means a lot of encouragement for our team. Stay tuned to Resurrection Garage for more videos.